Hey, what's up everybody? It's Oshnasi KI6NAZ, and I did my first soda activation with Jerry, KG6HQD. And for a while I've been a subscriber of his. He does great soda activation videos, among other ham radio type videos. But funny story here, I didn't realize Jerry was also an active member of the repeater that I most frequently talked on here in Southern California. So once I put two and two together, I reached out to Jerry, knowing about his background in soda from his YouTubes, and started talking to him about it. Come to find out, he's a really cool guy and kind of let me tag along, actually kind of helped plan this little outing where we could kind of meet in the middle here in Southern California and do an activation. First and foremost, I'm putting a card up so you can go check him out. Link is also in the description. Go watch his video of our kind of collaboration on this soda activation. He's been doing these activations a lot longer than me, and he does an amazing job at it. His editing is top notch. So with all that said, I have a couple of quick points. I have totally revised the way I'm going to do these soda videos because I was woefully unprepared to take any kind of content, video, audio, whatever. I brought my cell phone. I didn't bring my standalone camera. That became a problem because I did all my logging on my cell phone, so that meant that I couldn't get shots of when I was getting my contacts in. Yeah, really smart, right? And also, my audio recorder didn't have a wind filter. These are all things that I learned from just one day spent with Jerry. So, hope you enjoyed this video, but realize a lot better videos are going to be coming. And if you don't like this video, give me a thumbs up anyway, but then go watch Jerry because it's a really good recommendation to see what it's supposed to look like. Big ups to Jerry on making a massive contact. I think he was able, where did he go? Nebraska with like 0.1 watts or something like that, a tenth of a watt. Crazy. Anyway, if I'm not exactly correct, it's still a massive achievement, so make sure you check that out too. Without further ado, let's activate our summit. Also, just a reminder, make sure you click that little bell icon because I am going to be doing a live stream with Jerry where I interview him about soda. And this is also going to be applicable to those that go in the field with radio, those that like to do portable operations. Field day's coming up for those of you that just got your technician license and want to know what to do to get out there. Soda has a lot in common. It's roughing it, if you will, of field day. So I'm gonna have a lot of fun interviewing Jerry. If you're watching this video way after the fact, again, there's gonna be a card link in the description so you can listen to that interview, and again, the link will be in the descriptor. Okay, let's go. So San Juan Hill is a pretty easy hike for soda, about 3 miles back and forth. Jerry made it look easy. I'm out of shape, so I was second gas. But thanks to Jerry for kind of showing me the ropes a bit, getting me my successful first activation. It's a 1-point summit, which means basically that the elevation is commensurate to 1-point summits. There's lots of higher point summits that are much easier to get to. This one is a little bit harder. You gotta actually hike out to it, but it also makes it kind of fun, and nothing better than getting a nice long hike in and getting the beauty of seeing that summit.
Jerry's up there hitting the gas on me. This guy's gonna get his soda goat, no problem.
So it's kind of rare to have a nice setup like this for soda. We have this cool little pillar right in the middle. Jerry doesn't need that, of course, though. He's got his own little seat set up and self-sustaining in all ways. I took advantage of the cement pylon pillar there in the middle that I could put my radio on and work from that. I brought a seating pad, but nothing like a chair. I thought I was saving on weight, but I realized really quickly that that antenna, that big ears, that MFJ antenna is heavy. Great for field work like field day, but might be a little too much for a nice soda hike. Keep that in mind.
CQ for summits on the air. Kilo Golf 6 Hotel Quebec Delta call CQ and listening.
Kilo Igloo 6 November Alpha Zulu. Kilo Igloo 6 November Alpha Zulu CQ. CQ CQ for summits on the air. CQ for summits on the air. Alright, here's our summit, San Juan Hill. We've got the MFJ Big Ears antenna, which I'm running to my Zygu X5105. I'm at about 7 contacts. Okay, MFJ Big Ears. Running 40 right now, tuned to 40. And we got Jerry's home-built speaker wire, kind of a doublet, kind of a dipole in an inverted V config. And he's doing great. How many contacts do you have so far?
I don't know, like 20.
20 contacts.
Yeah, I think so. I've got the legs on this thing. It's, I don't know if you've seen this or not. Speaker wires, the transmission line all the way up, and then split the ends of the speaker wire to an electrician knot. And then I've got it set up like an inverted V. And, you know, in theory, it's somewhat on me, and I think that's proven very good signal from your location. And I'm going to go look on the map to see exactly where that is. Look at your QTH on the internet. So thanks for the contact, Josh. Good luck to you. Have a good day. And I'll look forward to working with you again sometime. KI6NAZ WB2RAT 73, Josh.
Now we're wrapping up. Here's my kit. Here's my pack with my way too big antenna mass. I've got to figure something out for that.
So I learned a lot on this SOTA trip, and you're kind of seeing the evidence of one of my lessons. I filmed the whole thing with my iPhone 7. I didn't bring my standalone G7X, my Canon, that I normally carry for all my videos, and I thought I was saving weight in an attempt to offset my my antenna. I learned really quickly though that the iPhone, maybe just because of the way I was operating it, but it just stopped filming. So on this nice little white walk down this trail, I got to the point where it stopped recording. I didn't know that until I got home and saw this footage. So you're seeing this single shot. Lots to learn. You only get better as you do more, and it's tough to think that you're going to operate with the best of them and still try and record something interesting on video. So got lots to do in the SOTA front. I hope you enjoyed this. This is just my first outing. We're going to do better the next time. So push your comments below. Let me know what you think about SOTA. Let me know what you think about portable operations. And I'd love to hear from you. Anyway, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell. Go hit up the Ham Radio Crash Course on the Facebooks. And if you're so inclined, go check out the Patreon, which is in the link below. Keeps this whole showboat going down the road. Okay, guys, I'll talk to you later. 7-3's y'all. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see ya.